Have you ever dealt with pesky health issues like heartburn, skin irritations, or even bad breath? Well, guess what? Baking soda might just be the simple and effective solution you've been looking for. Stick around because today we're diving into 11 surprising health benefits of baking soda you need to know. All right, let's get into it. So baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, isn't just for baking those delicious cookies. It's actually a versatile household item packed with surprising health benefits that many people just don't know about. From soothing heartburn to whitening your teeth, this little powder can do wonders. And the best part? It's super affordable and easy to find. So, whether you're a baking enthusiast or just someone looking for some natural remedies, you'll definitely want to hear what we have in store today. Let's uncover these hidden gems of health benefits that baking soda has to offer. Before we jump into the juicy details, let's go over what you'll need to get started with these baking soda benefits. First and foremost, obviously, you need baking soda. You can find it in pretty much any grocery store. Next, you'll want some water, as it's a key ingredient in many of our uses. Depending on the health benefit we're discussing, you might also need some additional ingredients, like lemon juice, coconut oil, or essential oils. Don't worry, I'll let you know what you need for each specific use as we go along. So gather your supplies and let's get ready to make some magic happen with baking soda. Now let's dive into the 11 health benefits of baking soda, and I'll guide you through each one, step by step. 1. Heartburn relief. To ease heartburn, mix a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it. This helps neutralize stomach acid and provides quick relief. 2. Whitening teeth. For a brighter smile, mix baking soda with a bit of water to form a paste. Brush your teeth with this mixture a couple of times a week for a natural whitening effect. 3. Deodorizing. Got smelly shoes or a stinky fridge? Sprinkle some baking soda in there and let it sit. It absorbs odors like a champ. 4. Skin soother. For skin irritations, mix baking soda with water to create a paste and apply it to the affected area. It can help soothe itching and inflammation. 5. Foot soak. If your feet are tired or stinky, dissolve half a cup of baking soda in warm water and soak your feet for 20 minutes. It's refreshing and helps remove odors. 6. Acne treatment. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste and apply it to acne spots. Leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing off. It can help dry out pimples. 7. Sore throat relief. Gargling with a mix of baking soda and warm water can help soothe a sore throat. Just mix about half a teaspoon in a glass of water. 8. Muscle pain relief. After a tough workout, adding baking soda to your bath can help reduce muscle soreness. Just a cup in warm water does the trick. 9. Bug bites. For pesky bug bites, make a paste with baking soda and water and apply it to the bite. It can help reduce itching and irritation. 10. Cleaning produce. To clean fruits and veggies, soak them in a solution of water and baking soda. It helps remove pesticides and dirt. 11. Hydration boost. If you're feeling dehydrated, a pinch of baking soda in your water can help replenish electrolytes quickly. And there you have it. 11 awesome ways to harness the power of baking soda for your health. All right. Now that we've gone through all those benefits, let's take a moment to see how to apply baking soda for each of these health hacks. I've got some visuals for you. Here's me mixing up that heartburn remedy. Look at that fizz. And here's that teeth whitening paste. Just a dab on your toothbrush will do. Now, check out how I'm deodorizing my fridge with a bowl of baking soda. It's so easy. And for that skin soother, watch as I apply the paste directly to my arm. Just look at how refreshing that foot soak is. Ah, heavenly. Remember to rinse off any pastes thoroughly afterward. Now, before you rush off to try these out, let's talk about some best practices for using baking soda safely and effectively. First, always do a patch test on your skin if you're using it topically to check for any allergic reactions. Second, when using it as a mouth rinse, don't overdo it. Too much can upset your stomach. And for teeth whitening, make sure to limit use to avoid damaging your enamel. Also, remember that baking soda is high in sodium, so if you're on a low-sodium diet, consult your doctor before using it extensively. Lastly, store your baking soda in a cool, dry place to keep it fresh. Now, let's address some common concerns or misconceptions about baking soda. One question people often have is baking soda safe for everyone? While it's generally safe, some people may experience irritation, especially if they have sensitive skin or gastrointestinal issues. If you find that using baking soda causes discomfort, it's best to stop using it and consult a healthcare professional. Another concern is about its effectiveness. Some might wonder if it really works. The truth is, while baking soda can be effective for many, it may not be a miracle cure for everyone. If a particular remedy doesn't seem to work for you, don't hesitate to explore other options. So there you have it. We've covered a ton of amazing health benefits of baking soda, from easing heartburn to enhancing your beauty routine. It's incredible how much this simple household item can do for your everyday life. Remember, baking soda isn't just for baking. It's a versatile tool that can help address various health concerns in a natural way. Thanks for sticking with me through this video. I hope you learned something new today about the surprising health benefits of baking soda. If you decide to try any of these tips, drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more health-related content. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends who could use a little baking soda magic in their lives. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.